Hi, my name is Shanti Kumar V. You can Google my name. I am an IT job coach to scale up IT professionals into different latest roles. So I have been doing this job since 2019 onwards. I have scaled up people from zero experience to 3.5 decades senior managers also in top-notch MNCs in USA. And you can see my blog site also, vskumarcoaching.com. It is written there. Okay. Now, in this session, we are going to see tutorial 3, 4, 5. Let us go to the document. I'm under impression that you have seen my previous videos blog. I'm continuing from there, and you can see we have covered these things. Tutorial day 1, day 2, like that. From day 3 onwards, we're going to cover in this session. Agentic AI, Kubernetes scaling intelligence tutorial. What is it? Leveraging AI agents to predict workload trends and intelligently scale Kubernetes clusters. Let us say you are aware of that in festival seasons, e-commerce sites load is going to be accelerating day by day, like Thanksgiving Day or Christmas season or New Year season or any Indian festivals also, because the buyers will come more in millions. So in such case, what they do, they use the load balancers in the non-containerized applications, basically. So here, when you use the Kubernetes, what happens? We have a containers. Those containers need to be having in different clusters. So those clusters need to be accelerated, or scalability need to be implemented like in the traditional method in non-cluster or non-container environment. So for that, this kind of agentic AIs can be used, right, to monitor and accelerate it immediately and see the load kind of thing. Setting up agents to interact with metrics servers to trigger HPA, VPA optimization and cluster auto-scaling. Yes, auto-scaling is there in traditional method also in non-containers. And what are the tools we are going to use? Prometheus, CADA, custom Python, prediction agents. So here example is an e-commerce platform increased their cluster efficiency by 25% and reduced scaling lag during sales spikes by utilizing agentic predictive scaling, smoothing customer experience and saving significant cloud expenses. Now, if you are not increasing with monitoring tools or auto scale services are there, but still these agents can work like humans also by using agentic AI process, by connecting in between different services or processes within that application. And it can identify immediately, instruct that autoscaler to accelerate that, deploy in different regions also, the clusters. So that is the purpose of implementing agentic AI for using Kubernetes applications. Okay. Now, fourth tutorial, let us see Agentic DevOps FinOps token optimization. The tutorial is implementing intelligent agents to optimize API tokens, keys usage, identifying unused tokens, rotating compromised tokens, and enforcing least privileged tokens. You are going to give the priorities for the tokens basically. So those priorities, how are you going to identify? You need to write agentic flow, workflow, and through that you can identify it. And intelligence can be used by the agentic AI, and that can trigger the messages or alerts or take some kind of actions also to resolve those things. So automating token lifecycle management with DevOps workflows is possible. Yes. A fintech startup automated their API token lifecycle management using agent bots, reducing security risks related to leaked tokens and cutting support time by 50%. So what happens? You might have seen people used to work for L1, L2 activities. Then they used to track it, all these things in live in production by doing shift system, 3 shifts. They used to work 8 hours, 8 hours like that. So a lot of efforts are there, lot of cost is there for manpower. The entire process, if you are automating, maybe 3 resources can be saved in the project costing in DevOps implementation. Okay, so that is the benefit. Now we have seen third, fourth, and fifth one. We are going to see Agentic DevOps smart incident response tutorial, building intelligent incident response agents that can triage and sometimes remediate issues automatically. What is this triage? Triage is nothing but you are conducting on fly the defects meeting under change management process under IT service management activity, process activity. So when you build intelligent agents for incidents responses, if agent is able to take the action itself without depending on the DevOps engineer to fix the issues, yes, it can take the action. Then DevOps engineer need not be triggered alerts to come and fix the issues online. So integrating with monitoring tools, Datadog, Splunk, and incident management platforms with PagerDuty is possible. Using ML to prioritize alerts and recommend next steps. As machine learning, you are going to use obviously when you talk about agents. What is the case study here? An IT services company shortened incident resolution time from hours to minutes by deploying agentic responders that quickly classify alerts, assign severity, and initiate automated remediation for common issues. Now, if you see, when you deploy the agents, what happens? It can classify priorities and as per the mm, mm, incidents raised it, and it can resolve some of the issues also in minutes itself and assign severity to different people also, which agent is not able to solve it immediately, and initiate automated remediation for common issues. Yes. So the alerts can be triggered and it can give justification. You know what happens when you are implementing agentic AI flow in between process steps in the ops lifecycle, the agentic AI is going to interact with OpenAI connectivity. The OpenAI connectivity is going to give the guidelines to follow, okay, like human. Then that's where it is called intelligent agentic AI, okay. So with that process, it is going to fix it with suggestions given by OpenAI connectivity tokens, okay. Then if it is not able to resolve it, then it is going to trigger to the concerned people, the owners of the incident. We planned for 3, 4, 5. Then we'll see in the next sessions. Thanks for attending for that. And you can see my profile on LinkedIn, Shanti Kumar V, and contact me if you are looking for scaling up into higher roles in artificial intelligence or agentic AI roles or generate AI generalist also. There is a new role coming up in the IT industry. A lot of experienced people are required after upskilling with proven skills, proven POCs through special coaching. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you.